going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So me and Aiden here at Mountain Creek. It's actually Bear Peak opening day, so I'm going to give you a little look at the conditions and what they have to offer on Bear Peak. So here's one run top to bottom, no edits. Bear Peak. See how this goes. I haven't been on Bear Peak in years. Oh, I totally could have hit that. This is a fun little getaway from South Peak. There was no line to get on the lift and no features. That was a pretty short run. It's fun.
So obviously a chill little run on Bear Peak, but a lot of fun if you want to get away, maybe find some side hits, go through the trees, but pretty much a good time. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.